Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cummins Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Foton Tunland S dual cab ute, stock reference number 4674. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a Cummins 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.8 litre Cummins turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has got damage on both sides as well as the roof. We have the right-hand headlight. It's got an aftermarket Xrox steel bull bar with King's spotlights with all fittings, bolts, brackets. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left chrome power door mirror. We have the left-hand tail light, rear bumper bar, tow bar, factory fitted, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have a 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, instrument cluster, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, left hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.